Hey everybody, Josh with JDS Science Supply, and I want to talk to you about our Kota Pro Express heat transfer material. This stuff looks good, it feels great, and it's going to save you time. So let's take a closer look at the material itself and how it applies, and a few things you need to know if you've never worked with printable heat transfer material. Let's take a look. So first of all, many of you are probably wondering, how does this material come? This comes in 20, 30, or 60-inch widths, 27 yards long. It is a 3.1 mil polyurethane based film, so it's really flexible. The polyurethane makes it really soft. You're really not going to feel like you're wearing anything on the front of your shirt, which is obviously the desire of most people. And one of my favorite things of this film is it presses at 285 for only 4 seconds. So you're going to be super efficient. And another cool feature is this is a material that's safe to cut in your laser. And to prove how fast and effective this is on heat sensitive materials, we're going to go over to the press and we're going to put a graphic on this windbreaker, which in most cases, if you had to press it at too high of a temperature or it had to be in the heat press for too long, you'd have to have a special material in order to keep this material from burning or melting inside the heat press. Let's go take a look. So over at the press, we've loaded the windbreaker material. You can see it's real thin material, and we're about ready to apply our graphic. So a couple things that I want people to be aware of if you're brand new to using printable heat transfer material. This is printed with either a latex or an eco-solvent printer. It's been cut, weeded, and then masked. So one of the things that makes the printable heat transfer material different than the cut heat transfer is that it doesn't have a liner on the face of it. So on cut heat transfer, you usually flip it over, you cut it in reverse, you weed it in reverse, then you flip it over, and your graphic is stuck to this clear polyester sheet. Well, you can't do that if you need to print on it first. So the liner is actually on the back, kind of like traditional self-adhesive vinyl. In order to transfer it and keep the film intact, we have to mask it with our Kota Pro Express tape. And so that's already been done. And so what we're gonna do before we apply it to the shirt is we're gonna separate the liner that the manufacturer put the material on from the Express tape that we have applied already. I like to flip it over and peel the liner away. It seems like the film sticks to the tape better that way. Okay, so we'll just set that aside. And now I'm just gonna register my graphic, try and keep my seams off of the platen as much as possible. Okay, and we're gonna press this at, again, 285 for 4 seconds, medium pressure, and then this is gonna be a warm peel. Okay, then with this material, we still want to peel it when it's hot, but I'm going to give it just 2-3 seconds to kind of cool down just a little bit. And then we're going to peel it away. Keep good tension on your fabric when you're peeling. And look how nice and clean that came off. Okay. There you have it. Very heat sensitive material. Looks, feels great. And I just have one product that I have to worry about having in my shop in order to work with all these different fabrics. So for more information about where you can get this Kota Pro material and information on where it's stocked, different sizes, whatever you got questions, give us a call at the number below. Check us out online at jdssciencesupply.com. Thanks for watching.